Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Hero 10 and Hero 9 dual battery charger plus a spare battery. And, as you can see, it fixed to two GoPro Heroes. One is the new 10 version, and of course it's good for the 9er version 2. This is the new dimension of battery size, which comes in 2021 out, or it was 2020, I think. This conveniently charge two GoPro batteries simultaneously. With this dual battery charger and a spare 1720 mAh lithium-ion battery for our GoPro, it charged via the most USB ports for up to a 38% faster charging. One use it with the optional GoPro supercharger. This is an international dual port charger. A dual LED indicator light displayed the charging status. And it's easy, because you only have to do is push your batteries into position, and then you can see if the LED will go green, the battery is full. Conveniently charge two GoPro batteries simultaneously, and this does not only be the original one, it can be a replacement battery too, no problem for this charger. It's optimized charging, so we will get a fully charged battery as quick as possible. And it's charged with USB port for faster charging. We use with the optional GoPro supercharger. And included, there is a spare 1720 mAh lithium-ion rechargeable battery. And as you can see, I bought another one. With dual LED lights, the display charging status of both batteries. And of course, if you only one push in position, only this will find your LED. And you can see you will need the GoPro 9 and 10 batteries for it. This charger does not fit with the GoPro 8 or 7 or 654 batteries. This allows to charge our spare batteries while we are using our camera. This is really cool because these batteries of GoPro are not so long in use, okay? So you have to change often. And after a little time, you will get a lot of batteries in your pocket. And so, if you have, I think it's okay to have 4 batteries if you are a good video maker. Then you can charge or recharge 2 at the same time with this charger, and you can choose the 2 other batteries for instant use. And then you can replace them easily, and you make a rotation with it. And then you can make a good video competition with it. Yeah, you can make videos all day long because you have energy all day long with the Hero 10 and Hero 9 dual battery charger plus a spare battery. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.